Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I knew it. I knew this was radical, man. On the startup. Be safe, Tito. Uh-huh. Wow. All that time.
It looked like a rag when I got it.
Oh yeah, you hooked him up, huh? Brought him back to life. Yeah, it looks great. You got one today, right?
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh. Who that you got? Elvis riding with you?
Oh yeah.
What he in the Corvette? He in the Corvette, right? That's probably like a 64, is it?
I think it was a Corvette.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But it was a custom, like a prototype.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's what I was getting ready to say. Don't tell me you just getting here.
Yeah.
You come to all the shows late, huh?
Yeah, I was having fun.
I know that's right.
I didn't mean to be delayed. But
As long as you was having fun, brother. Woo! There you go.
I'll rock that rock.
Oh, there you go, baby. I knew it. You got the big one. That's what I'm talking about. All right, man. Okay, that's deep. That's almost near New York. That one?
No. What about
New Jersey?
Yeah, I don't have. All right, guys.
We'll make the car.
Yep.
I got to get rid of the black.
Yeah. Now the new thing, you know, the youngins like the black wheels.
Yeah.
But that look great on his car.
Yeah.
That'll look good on yours. Even if you did like a two-tone with the brown and the chrome.
I should have got here earlier. I tried to get here.
Yeah, always hard, man.
And I didn't like them, so I took them off. They ended up sitting in the garage.
Mm-hmm.
And I bought them black ones, and now I hate them black ones. So I'm thinking about putting those back on.
Yeah, but I tell you what, you'll be able to sell the black ones easy though.
Huh?
You'll be able to sell the black ones if you wanted to.
Both of them.
Yep. What size are they? 19s?
18s in the front, 19s in the back.
Okay.
That's another reason why I don't like it. And reach out to me too if you know somebody selling.
For sure.
Especially if I can find somebody selling the whole set,
Mm-hmm.
rims and tires.
Oh, that'd be perfect. I think it would.
I hope you served, man. You got it like you got all that one.
Look at this one. All right now.
She won for best sports car.
Woo, that's what I'm talking about. That ain't no Camaro. That's a Corvette, baby. All right.
She got the same car that my boy James
Yep.
had.
Yeah.
But James left.
Yeah. All right now.
All right, money.
Be safe. He got that one.
You won. I told you I was going to win that.
Woo. Okay. Oh, okay. All right.
Dang, it's your low.
I've been trying